In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import emails Klaviyo. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and you have your contact list saved as a CSV file on your computer. A CSV is a simple spreadsheet-style file that Klaviyo can read, and it is the most common way to import emails in bulk. It also helps to quickly review your CSV before uploading. Confirm that your email column is clearly labeled and remove any duplicates or obvious typos so your import goes smoothly. Once you are in Klaviyo, look at the main navigation and click Audience, then choose Lists and Segments. This is where Klaviyo stores groups of contacts, and creating a dedicated list for imports keeps everything organized and easy to find later. On the Lists and Segments page, click to create a new list. You may see an option that mentions List or Segment. Choose the option to create a list. Lists are best for a clean, direct upload because everyone in the file will be added to that group. Next, give your list a clear name. In this example, name it My Imports. Using a simple name like this makes it obvious what the list is for, especially if you do multiple uploads over time. After naming the list, click Create List to finish setting it up. Now you will upload your file. In the list settings or import area, click Upload from CSV. This tells Klaviyo that you are bringing in contacts from a file rather than adding them manually. When prompted, select your CSV file from your computer. Take a second to confirm you chose the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions saved. Selecting the right file prevents importing outdated or incomplete contact data. After the file is selected, click Next to proceed through the import flow. Then click Import to start the upload. Klaviyo will begin processing the file and adding the emails to your new list. Depending on the size of the CSV, this can take a little time, so stay patient and let it finish. Once the import completes, your emails will be stored inside the My Imports list and ready for you to use in Klaviyo. And that is all there is to it.